Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to our channel. I am incredibly pleased and honored to have you join us for what I believe will be one of the most practical and immediately impactful lessons we have ever produced. Today, we are tackling a critical question: how to think positive in every single situation, even when the world feels uncertain or challenging. This isn't about ignoring problems. It's about mastering a sophisticated mental skill set, a resilience reflex that allows you to find constructive perspectives, maintain calm, and drive forward regardless of external circumstances. This session is meticulously designed to be your comprehensive masterclass, revealing the precise techniques used by high achievers to maintain an empowering outlook under pressure. But there is a wonderful intrinsic benefit to this focused discussion, because we are using clear, highly professional, and meticulously articulated English throughout this entire presentation. This video will also serve as a deeply effective, immersive tool for your English learning journey. You will effortlessly absorb the high-level vocabulary, complex sentence structures, and fluid articulation necessary for professional communication, ensuring your English becomes as confident and powerful as your newly forged mindset. Prepare to gain immense value, both in shaping your character and elevating your language skills, as we unlock the secrets to unflappable positivity. Let's dive straight into the core challenge. When faced with a crisis or setback, our brain's natural, ancient survival instinct, the negativity bias, kicks in, flooding us with fear and worst-case scenarios. Mastering positive thinking in every situation begins not with denial, but with mindful recognition. The very first step is to pause and acknowledge the negative emotion or thought without judgment. Do not fight the feeling, simply observe it. Ask yourself, what is the evidence for this thought? And is this thought helpful? This immediate pause breaks the automatic cycle of worry, creating the essential mental space needed for a rational, constructive response. Once this space is created, the next powerful technique is cognitive reframing. This is the art of consciously looking for alternative interpretations of a challenging event. For instance, if you miss a career opportunity, instead of thinking, "I am a failure," you reframe it to, "This is a necessary redirection. I learned valuable lessons, and this path has cleared me for a better opportunity that aligns more perfectly with my skills." This technique requires you to actively seek out the silver lining, the potential lesson, or the necessary change that the perceived negative situation has introduced. The situation itself may be difficult, but your interpretation of it determines your power and subsequent action. A third crucial pillar in maintaining constant positivity is cultivating an attitude of solution focus. In any difficult moment, there are two choices: dwell on the unfairness of the problem, or shift all mental energy toward finding a viable solution. Train yourself to immediately move from "why is this happening to me?" to "what is the very next, smallest, most constructive action I can take right now?" This solution-oriented mindset activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for planning and rationality, and dampens the reactive, emotional centers. This practice inherently replaces anxiety with purpose. Furthermore, we must incorporate the power of the growth mindset. This belief, pioneered by Dr. Carol Dweck, holds that our abilities and intelligence are not fixed traits, but can be developed through dedication and hard work. When faced with a difficult situation, individuals with a growth mindset view the challenge as an opportunity to stretch their capabilities and learn something new, rather than seeing it as a reflection of their inherent limitations. This perspective inherently frames all setbacks as temporary, a crucial element for sustained positivity. Remember, every master was once a beginner, and every great success story is filled with repeated constructive failures. To make this resilience stick, you must embed powerful supporting daily habits. First, adopt the practice of affirmational language. Your subconscious mind listens intently to the words you use. Make a commitment to eliminate definitive, victim-like language and consciously use words that imply strength, progress, and control, such as, "I can handle this," "I am learning," or "I choose peace." Second, understand the importance of controlling your inputs. You can't maintain an optimistic outlook if you constantly consume fear-based news, toxic social media content, or negativity from pessimistic friends. Be ruthlessly selective about the information and people you allow into your immediate environment. Replace those inputs with uplifting books, educational podcasts, and supportive, solution-oriented colleagues. Your mental health deserves a strict positive diet. Finally, harness the simple, transformative power of daily gratitude. Even in the darkest moments, there is always something to be thankful for: your health, a supportive friend, or simply the ability to try again tomorrow. By intentionally ending your day by listing 3 specific things you were genuinely grateful for, you ensure that your mind's final frame of reference before sleep is one of abundance, not lack, reinforcing your positive mental baseline for the day ahead. We have traversed the entire landscape of this essential mental skill today, moving from the neuroscientific recognition of the negative bias to the practical techniques of reframing, solution focus, and the essential supporting habits of language and input control. The blueprint for consistently choosing a constructive, positive response in any situation is now clear. It requires mindful awareness, intentional reframing, and consistent practice. This comprehensive session has provided you with the clarity and inspiration necessary to take immediate, definitive control of your inner narrative. If you found these profound and transformative lessons valuable, and you are dedicated to continuing your journey of self-mastery and growth with us, please take a moment right now to hit the subscribe button so you never miss any of our future high-value content. Furthermore, I sincerely encourage you to join our growing community discussion and leave a comment below sharing one specific difficult situation you plan to reframe using the techniques you learned today. Thank you for investing your time and focus with us. Now go out there and master the resilience reflex to thrive in every situation life presents.